It's Whitney, the Precision Data Specialist at Bane-Welker. Today I'm with Gutwein, doing variety tracking with his combines. Want to say a little bit about yourself?
I'm Lance, like she said, with Hallmark Farms, and we're here to put variety tracking into the combines. So we use our variety tracking on all our popcorn acres to keep everything separate.
For variety tracking, we're going to log into our FieldOps account. And when we go in there, we'll go to sign in. Now, as we sign in, I am jumping to Lance's customer account. So over here is my linked accounts, and this is how I can jump to different customers to send things. Okay, so we're in here. I'm going to drop down remove my initials. So we go to send and receive files, top right corner. Under the export. Because it's a Pro 700, we're going to do the CN1. We're going to click send to equipment. You do not need to save it as a master file. If you want, you can. I typically do not. Now we're going to click the equipment. So we're sending it to this combine today. Next, this combine has a PCM, so you can send the data back and forth. So we'll select your growers, our farms, our fields. If you have your operators in here, you can. You don't have to. So then if you had swaths you want to send over, you can do that as well. We're not doing that today. But we're going to send our boundaries over. And we're going to send the variety zone crops. So typically here, I go in the search bar and type in corn and soybeans, but we already have popcorn as the preferred crop, so we'll select popcorn. If you wanted to do his soybean varieties, we could select soybeans too, and then send both of them over. So now we click next, and then we'll review everything, and once everything is reviewed, we would click finish, and it would say sent successfully to the equipment.
So our new files have been received in. We'll push OK. The files will be brought in. 160. Okay. So there's our field. Data style, color. Okay.
Leave it on that one, that's fine.
We'll go to your run screen. We can go here to our legend, and we can click variety. We'll see the varieties there. Back. Okay. Or we can go to the data management map. We can go to our layers, turn on our variety color, and then you can have the varieties in here. So if you look at our legend, if you had split varieties, there'd be 2 or as many as you have, and you'd see them throughout the field in different colors. And that's how you do variety tracking over the air.